Hi guys, good day. This is Floresha from XDig and we're here to do an unboxing of the Huawei Freebuds Lite. So as you can see, these are wireless earbuds that looks closely similar to the AirPods, the Apple one. So this one is made by Huawei. It was also released just recently. Um, and of course, since Huawei is also a growing brand, especially with their P30 series, we're excited what's in store for their accessories. And well, just like this product, we're also assuming that there will be something like similar products that look like accessories from other brands. Well, for this one, of course, it looks like earbuds, and let's just see what this one has in store and what's the difference between them. So what we have here is uh, the Huawei Freebuds Lite. Let's just open it up first. Okay, right. So it just has one sticker here. Let's open. Oh, sorry. There's another sticker, but just open it up. There you go. Is there another sticker? Okay, no. I'll just make sure the stickers don't hinder. Okay, there you go. So we have here a nice little case for the earbuds. Nice, looks cool. So it comes in this capsule form. Just open it up, and there you have it. Okay, so we have this, my friends, are the Huawei Freebuds Lite, and it looks simple. For this one, this is a ceramic white. Let's get the one, and there you go. This one goes to, I'm not sure, the left one, according to the case. So, because of course this is a wireless earbuds, it runs on electricity, and the, this is where you charge the earbuds as well. So you have here the the micro USB slot for you to charge it. So I assume that the cord is inside. So we have the right one. See, it's nice, and it fits perfectly well. So definitely it's nice. It's just right. It fits palm my hand, so I could bring it anywhere. No more cables. Definitely there's on Bluetooth, and of course it's made by Huawei, so we're pretty sure that it will work with most of the phones, especially of course the Huawei phone. So we'll just open up some other things here since the box is pretty big compared to what I've expected. Okay, so inside the box it comes with this very thick, well, the warranty card, just a few pages. But for the quick start guide, so thick because of the so many languages it has right now. I'm just wondering why they didn't go with paperless right now, because sometimes all of the manual comes paperless or available online. And of course we have the extra earpiece just in case you lost one, or probably if you don't have, if the piece is too big or too small, you can just replace it with that. And finally, of course, we cannot charge our earbuds like without our cord. So you can see it fits perfectly here, and you can charge it. Simple as that. And okay, so there you have it guys. So we had just unboxed the Huawei Freebuds Lite. As you can see there, click, it's made by Huawei, and I'll give you more updates once I use it, so it give you a full review of how it fares with other wireless headsets and probably the wired ones. and let's probably see how long it will last in a single charge. So thank you for watching. Again, this has been Florencio for XT, and please again like, subscribe, and give us a comment if you want to know more about the other products that we'll be launching here in the Philippines, and more news about anything that is related to technology, science, and gadgets. So again, for X6, it's been Florencio, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.